Hi there and welcome back. Just a real quick tip here today. We just published an article here on the importance of diversifying your marketing, and it is so important that I thought, in case you don't see our articles on our blog or on our social media, I'm going to make you a quick clip here too, just to cover all the bases, because it is an important topic. So the challenge that a lot of businesses have is that they rely on only one or two marketing channels, marketing strategies, and especially a lot of businesses rely on word of mouth, which is not really a marketing strategy. That's sort of the result of being great, and it's great if you get a lot of referrals, but you don't want to rely only on that. It's very risky to do that, because if one of these channels doesn't work anymore suddenly, that's why your business will not have leads coming in anymore, and that's why a lot of businesses are on this crazy roller coaster. So what you want to do instead is you want to have as many marketing channels, marketing strategies working for you as possible. Now, that might mean for your business that you have 3, 4, 5 different channels that work for you. You don't need 20, but you do want to have enough for you to have a constant flow of leads, inquiries coming through the door, because otherwise, again, you'll just have this crazy roller coaster journey. And I'll give you a practical example here that we also shared in the article, and this is a shout out also to Jess and Ellen from Bandicoot. Check them out, please, because they're an amazing label for kids clothing, Australian, and they are so cool. I've already bought stuff from them for some of my friends, and they just also are a family business that is super ethical and doing the right thing. And what happened to them last year when the pandemic hit? They were one of these businesses that was only reliant on 1 or 2 marketing channels, and one of those was markets. So one of the ways that they would sell their kids' fashion was on markets. But then COVID hit and they weren't able to do markets anymore. And so for them, of course, that pretty much meant hardly any business anymore. And they weren't really set up for online at that time. So they joined us here at Basic Bananas as a Clever Bunch member. We love them. They're amazing. They're action takers. And you can see the results now from taking action based on what they learned here. And what they did is they upgraded their website to become a great e-commerce website, so it's easy to buy online, not just relying on markets. They also started using different marketing strategies, not just markets. They also added a lead magnet on their website. Then they use now different marketing strategies to drive traffic to that website. Just having a website without anyone going there is not very useful, so you need to use different strategies, different channels to drive people there. And they use different online strategies like Facebook and Instagram, remarketing, and it's working really well for them. So I wanted to share this with you. The bottom line here is that you really don't want to rely on only one marketing channel. So if you can make sure that you diversify and build a whole ecosystem, a whole marketing plan around your business that will tie in different strategies, it will make a huge difference. If you want to learn more about how to do that, we run a session called the Blast Off Marketing Workshop, and we teach you how to build an entire ecosystem. It's called the Online Ecosystem, and we teach it in a session. It's a free session. It's run virtually live here from our headquarters, and you can join us. The link is basicbananas.com/virtual summit. So hopefully see you there, and feel free to send anyone that you know also along to watch these videos and join us at the workshops. We really appreciate it, and we appreciate you also for being here and taking the time to upgrade your own knowledge. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you next time.